Okay, now we want to use the buy stop limit and see how that works. Now I want you to listen very carefully, because if you're not going to get this correctly, you might have a number of problems in executing this kind of order. So let's say we have the market going up. Okay, so let's say this market is going up, and probably you feel if the market breaks beyond, let me just use this cross. If the market breaks beyond, can you see this red line here? Can you see this red line here?
Yes, we can.
Yes. At around 5.39. So because this is called a channel, okay, we are going to learn about channels later in class. So we are looking at this channel, and higher chances are whichever side the price breaks within this channel, it's going to go on that direction. That is to mean if the price breaks up out of this channel, it's going to continue going up, probably up to 7.9, because that is where we have another resistance. If price breaks down below this channel, it will continue to go down. And I've shown you how to exit, or how to set a stop loss or a sell stop limit if you want to exit on a losing trade. Now, so you want to catch a trade that if the price gets to this point, you're so sure that prices might continue to go up, probably up to 7.95. Let me see if we have a good example here. Well, the price have not been able to break beyond with the data that we currently have. Let me see if we have search for BTC. Okay, we have a very perfect one here. So, like you can see here, I had drawn a very good resistance area here where the prices were unable to break above this point. Let me just zoom out for you guys to see. So you see, when the prices came here around this area, the prices were unable to break and go beyond this area. But once it happened, okay, you can see the prices continued to go up, and then they came down. They were not able to come below this area, and the prices continued going up all the way to around 68,000. Okay, so probably for, let's use Bitcoin as an example. So you can see here we have this line here where the current market is actually trading at. So you probably believe if the market breaks above this line, the market will continue to go up. So you don't want to miss the breakout. So you will use the buy stop limit to catch the breakout. And how you're going to do that, let's go back to our PYR. So let's assume at this point where we have this red line is where our breakout is probably likely to happen. So what you are going to do, I'm going to set, let me see the price here. This is 5.45. Okay, 5.45. Huh? So what we want to say, or what we want to do, is to catch the breakout so that when the market continues to go up, we will be in the right. We are not going to miss the profits from here all the way up to 7.9. So we want to catch that. And because currently we are not so sure which direction the market will take, we are just going to place an order so that in case we are not on our computers and the prices happens to go up, we don't miss out on such an opportunity. So we are going to come here and put our target price is our resistance area, which is 5.45. So we're going to put this 5.45, okay? So we are saying if the price gets to 5.45, place an order to buy PYR at the price of 5.5, just above, or you can work with 5.65, just above where our support area, our resistance area is. Why are we doing this? Why are we not saying 5.46? It's because sometimes there might be what we call a fake breakout. Okay, a fake breakout. You see, like this one. This is a very fake breakout. Here, someone who is not experienced would think that the price is now going to go up. Let me see if I can drop this a little bit. Yes, here. So someone would think, well, the price was unable to break below this area, so it's going up, it's going up. We have our resistance area here, and it looks like it have broken out. And someone would want to enter at this point. Unfortunately, you would have missed it out because this is a fake breakout. Because what happened? It actually went, but never continued going up. It actually came back down. So that is why after we put 5.45, we want to put our limit order where we want our order to be placed just a little bit higher than where our support level is. So we can work with even $6. Okay? So this is to mean if the price goes up, currently we are at 4.28. So if the price goes up and gets to 5.45, place an order to buy PYR at the price of $6. And once that happens, which is around here, where I have my cursor, then the price will continue to ride all the way up to 7.9, almost $8. So I'll say I want to buy with all my USDTs, which is 45 USDT. Then I'll click buy PYR and notice what the order confirmation, what it says. If the last price rises to or above 5.45 USDT, an order to buy 7.603 PYR at a price of 6 USDT will be placed. Now, when I click confirm, notice what happens. So we have PYR, we have set a buy stop limit. Okay, let the word loss not confuse you. Okay, it's a buy stop limit order, and we want to buy at the price of $6. That is where our limit order is. And the amount that we want to buy is 7.603. And that will cost us $45.62. And this order will be filled under these conditions. What are the conditions? If the market price is equal to or greater than 5.45, then our order is going to be executed. And that is how to set a buy stop limit. Let me know if it's clear.